subscribe. Hey guys, it's me, Talia Arisa Gibson. You can call me Tag for short, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing part 2 of my meal prep for the week. This meal is going to be some lettuce wraps. So they are turkey lettuce wraps with kind of an Asian flair to it. So let's get started. So first thing first, I have a heated pan and I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Then I'm going to add in some diced onions, finely chopped onions. Poppin'. I'm also going to add some red and yellow bell pepper that I had from my chili, the other halves. And I'm gonna let these just soften up and let the onions become a little translucent. Then I'm going to remove them from the pan and then cook the turkey meat. Then I'll add these back to the pan. So I added in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and I also added in 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground ginger. So now I'm just going to let this brown and then I'll be back. Okay, so in this little bowl I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I have 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sriracha, and also 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. So I'm going to give this a whisk. Alright, so my meat is brown, my turkey meat. So now I'm going to add the onion and pepper mixture. And I think I might just use half of this. I don't want it to be too much. A little bit more. I think that's good. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is add the mixture that I have here over the meat. Get that coated. I'm going to add some basil, ground basil. Alright, so the meat is all done for my turkey wraps. I will see you in the next video where I will show you how I put the meat in the lettuce wraps and I'll eat them in a mukbang. So thank you for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and of course hit that bell notification so you'll know when I post. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye.